Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video on my shed fire alarm system. So let's get into it. Outside we have a Wheelock MIZ. And then inside here we have a Radionics D223 keypad mounted on top of the panel enclosure. And cleared buffer. So I can grab my key. We have a Radionics D2012 panel in here. This is a 6-zone panel, and I'm pretty sure it's the smallest one that they make. So I thought it would fit for the shed, and I just had it lying around, so I threw it in this can. The main purpose of this system is primarily to contact me through the central station and for me to go investigate or dispatch if needed. So by the time this goes off, the place is already gone, but it would be pretty nice to know if the place is gone when you're across town. So yeah, there's the system. We're gonna go ahead and test it now. So we're gonna hit the smoke with the test button. It has verification on too, so come on. There we go. It should go off now. Why are you in trouble? We're gonna enter our code to silence. 6543. We don't want to show my address on there, but we're gonna do a sensor reset. Enter our code to reset sensors, and then it should reset. There we go. It's a boring video, but yeah.